Oh hey guys, so I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to say, so I remember like in first, second, and even third grade at my like old school, a few months before I moved, that I would always like hear this weird sound sometimes. So if you don't know about this little show on Disney or whatever it is called Puppy Dog Pals, it's like kind of the beginning sound of that. It's hard to explain. Let me show you. Disney, please do not. Disney, if you are watching this, I'm just gonna play a little bit of this. So Disney, if you are watching this, please do not give me a copyright strike, whatever it is.
I don't want to be a shark.
Sort of like that or something, except it sounded like a bit different. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this off of here. So I just wanted to make a video of that. And before I leave, and before I get off of here, that also reminded me something that I remember like at my old school too, in like first or second grade. Brody was in my class and we were walking down the hall for something, and they like had this like fake city lamp thing that you could plug in and everything to a wall and it actually turn on. And they like had a little bench right next to the library door and one of the little lights on the other side. And then they like had a sticker, one of them lights. And then one thing that I can remember him saying, I will never forget this. He was like, "Hey Ryan." Well, whenever I was walking down the hall with him, he was like this. "Hey Ryan, you look familiar to something." And I was like, "What do you mean?" And I was like, "What?" And then he pointed to one of the lamps. Yeah, so I just wanted to make that video to tell you about this. So yeah, bye.